In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put items on sale on Shopify. If you're looking to boost your sales or clear out some inventory, putting items on sale can be a powerful strategy. So let's dive into the process to make your products more appealing to your customers. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the Products tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a list of all the products you currently have in your store. Now, select the product you'd like to put on sale. This will bring you to the product details page where you can make the necessary adjustments. Now, let's focus on the pricing section. You'll see two key fields here, the compare it price and the price. The compare it price is where you'll enter the original price of the product. This shows your customers the original price before the sale, highlighting the discount they're receiving. Next, in the price field, enter the sale price you want to offer. This will be the actual price your customers will pay. Once you've set these, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. If your product has variants such as different sizes or colors, you'll need to adjust the prices for each one individually. Scroll down to the Variants section. Here, you'll see all the different variations of your product. Click on a variant you want to put on sale. Just like before, set the compare it price to the original price and the price to your new sale price. Don't forget to click Save after you finish adjusting each variant. You'll need to repeat this process for each variant you want to include in the sale. And that's it. You've successfully put your items on sale on Shopify. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a significant impact on your sales performance. By clearly displaying both the original and sale prices, you're giving your customers a great visual of the savings they can enjoy, which can help drive more conversions. Thanks for watching and following along with this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Good luck with your sales, and see you next time.